Hi, in this video, we're going to look at how to customize the Google app icon that appears on all Google sites. Now, many people have said that, they use an awful lot of things Google, so they want to be able to organize them just as they like. And of course, with the app, I can do a little reorganization here. I can drag up from a lower section. But if I want, say, something that doesn't appear in one of those menus, if I have to come here, say Google Analytics, a little more difficult to get those things organized. And I also don't have a tremendous amount of control over the way these are displayed. So to improve that situation, I can go to the web store and search for something called App Launcher Customizer. And the full name is App Launcher Customizer for Google. But you don't have to put the whole thing in if you don't want. And this app will allow you to customize that menu, that Google Launch menu. Okay, so they brought me to a little thank you page. I don't need that. And let me just get out to a page here that's just Google. So if I look in my menu is, as it was before, pretty much a little wider. And by right-clicking on this, I can go to Options, little gear. And you can see that all the Google services are listed at the left, and some suggestions or some current links to the ones towards the top are over here on the right. So if I just want to change the order of these, perhaps Google Plus, I clicked on that and you notice it's gone. Web search, sure, I want to keep that. I want to have YouTube Maps. I like the Play Store, but I think the Play Store, I've been going there a lot lately, so I'm going to move the Play Store into the first position and web search into the second, YouTube Maps. So I can reorder them. I don't really use shopping, so I'm just going to click on it and take that away. I don't use Wallet. I'm not currently using Blogger. I do use Calendar, Drive, Gmail, etc. So let's see. Drive belongs up there pretty high. Calendar belongs up there pretty high. And so you can see you just reorganize it. And when I open a new page and go to Google, you can see that these are now organized the way I dictated, the way that I ordered them. I'm going to go back to configure, close up a couple of these windows here. And notice there are just a ton of Google services available to you here. As a matter of fact, I'm going to do something that I wouldn't normally do, but I'm going to select all the services and that will move them over. Okay, let's open up a new window. And now you can see they're 5 wide, and it includes all the services. That's not really something I should have done, because I certainly don't need all of those. So I'm going to deselect all the services, and I'm going to start to build this. An icon at a time the way I would like to see it. So let's try Google Search. That's a single click. I can also search for services, so I'm going to say Drive is very popular to me. I use it a lot. So Drive, Calendar, Sites. Look at that. Google Sites is not available. So what are we going to do about that? Well, I'm going to come out here to sites.google.com. You can see that I'm logged in under my Rampo address, so these are the sites that are associated with that. And perhaps I can go into an individual site, but perhaps I just want to use this address. So I'm going to copy it, and I'll add a custom shortcut. I'll call it Sites. I'll put it in there. I can give a URL to, let's do that, images.google.com, Google Sites. I'm going to go to size and see if there's anything in the icon range for Google Sites. Do I want to use any of these for sites? Okay, without going to too much trouble, let's say that I want to use this one. I like this one. So I'm going to go to View Image, and of course this is posted at findicons.com, so if they ever move or remove this, my icon's going to disappear. But in the meantime, I can do that. Okay, getting a little cluttered here again, so let's see how that works. I'll open a new tab and go to Google. Oh great, there are the 4 that I put in there. Brings me right over to the sites. Now of course if I wasn't logged in, it would prompt me for a login because this is a site that I need to be logged into. But either way, you can customize this Google Launcher to contain the items you want in the order you want, which is the real benefit of this customizer. Other options are the same as just about any other app. If I click on this, it's going to return me to the website where I can look at reviews or related items, etc. If I can remove it from Chrome, I can uninstall it altogether. I can hide it from the menu. And it also has a Manage Extension, so it jumps me over to this Manage Extensions section, as most extensions do. That's it. Great tool. A lot of people find it very, very useful. Yeah, and perhaps you will as well.